everyone and welcome to the first episode of our series on data generation. I'm Selena and I'm beyond excited to take you on this journey of the origins of data. In this series, we'll discuss how data is generated and collected in process industries. So let's begin. Before we start, I want to say that I'm not here to question anybody's knowledge. My goal is to simply help newcomers, fresh graduates, and college students who are interested in the field of data science and would like to know more about this topic. Let us now take a high-level view of a plant. Over here, I have taken the example of a process industry simply because I am a part of another process industry. So it consists of three main parts. There is plant, there is property, and there is equipment. Let us now break it down further for better understanding. First comes the cement plant or property. This comprises of sections like cement mill, rotary kiln, etc. And one of these sections in this example is a ball mill, that is a grinding machine used in cement plants. And inside each section is a process and a machinery. This is where the data is generated. In my further videos, we will be focusing on this section. The data generated here can be used to increase the profits of a company. Let us now take a look at a financial statement to understand how. Once again, I would like to mention that there must be many experts out there with much more knowledge in terms of finance. I would like to just give a brief overview of the financial statement to help understand the business perspective even better, and I do not intend to challenge anyone's knowledge. This is a financial statement. It consists of an income statement, also known as a profit and loss statement, a cash flow statement, and a balance sheet. The most important amongst these is the profit and loss statement. It consists of three main parts from top to bottom. That is the revenue, the expenses, and the operating profit. And there are other things like taxes, etc. Now there can be multiple ways in which a company can profit, and the data generated in the process and machinery is one of them. It can either be used to increase the profits by increasing the revenue, that is the top line approach, or by reducing the expenses, that is the bottom line approach. This is done by using the data generated and applying powerful techniques of data science and machine learning to it. I now hope that this interrelationship between the generation of data in processes and machinery and its direct impact to the profits of a company using a financial statement is clear to you. In the next video, we'll dive into the technical details of how data is generated and collected in a process. Till then, thank you for watching and stay tuned for the next episode. Bye!